So if you're not a fan of my previous cake that I posted, the Jamaican fruit cake, rum cake, Caribbean black cake, whatever you call it, here is a perfect cake for you. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am bringing you another cake. For those persons who don't like a heavy fruit cake, today we're baking you the delicious rum cake. So thank you so much for stopping by and stay tuned for this delicious recipe. First thing we're starting off with is our Kerrygold butter. Find yourself a good butter to use when you're baking, and this one is my favorite. Going in with our butter, I'm going to start mixing the butter and then I gradually add the sugar. So here we are adding the butter. I'm using two different types of sugar. I'm going to be using some brown sugar and some granulated sugar, and we're going to add in the sugar gradually. And here I have my eggs, and I have some grated orange zest in there. While the butter and the sugar is mixing, I'm going to go ahead and combine my dry ingredients. For my dry ingredients, I have 3 cups of cake flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well, and even though cake flour is a bit finer than all-purpose, I'm still sifting it just to ensure that there is no lumps. In my container here I have a packet of French vanilla pudding mix. That's what I'm pouring in now. I'm going to sift it as well. Now I'm adding my salt, and I'm going to add my baking powder and baking soda. As per usual, I will be listing the ingredients in the comment section on Facebook, and on YouTube I will be listing it in the description box. Alright, so I'm sifting everything, and then I'm also going to be adding a little spice to the mix, which is a little grated nutmeg. That's what I'm adding right now, and I'm sifting that as well. Now I'm going to use my whisk to combine everything, and then I'm going to set it aside. I want to make sure I'm scraping the side of my mixer just to ensure that everything is being mixed properly. Butter and sugar is properly mixed, nice and fluffy. We're gonna go in and add our eggs one by one. And though butter provides that awesome flavor in your cake, oil helps with the moisture as well, so I'm adding 1/3 cup of oil. Next, I'm adding my tablespoon of vanilla. For my rum, I'm starting off with some dark rum, then I'm going to add some white rum. The alcohol content all depending on you, how much you want to add in your cake. Remember, some of it does evaporate when it's baking. It also depending on the temperature that you bake, but some of the alcohol will remain in your cake. So I'm adding some rose water, a little almond essence, and that will add a little more flavor to the cake. And for my other liquid content will be some buttermilk. You can substitute the buttermilk for whatever milk you want to use. Alright, so my oven is preheated. I'm adding in my dry ingredients gradually. Fold it in. Alright, now that all my ingredients is mixed in, our cake batter is ready. My oven is preheated, and I'm gonna make sure that I grease my pan carefully, especially this area, so that my cake can come out easily. I'm using this flour and butter mixture by Baker's Joy. I'm gonna add pouring my butter out. I need Alright, it's ready to go in the oven. My oven is preheated at 280 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna go in and add this on the mid rack. We're gonna make our rum sauce now. Adding some butter in there to melt, some sugar, adding some vanilla in there, and then the rum. The rum, depending on how strong you want it. If you want to have the rum flavor and you don't want it too strong, you can allow the rum to cook in the sauce. Otherwise, if you want that strong taste, you cook the sauce first and then you add the rum afterwards, and don't allow it to evaporate. Just add a little water. Adding a little more rum in there. Alright, my sauce is ready, and as I said before, if you want it to be really rummy, really strong, you can add some more right at the end after you turn off the sauce. Alright, it's out, it's hot. Pierce some holes. And we're gonna pour some of the rum sauce on here, and then when it's cooled down, we flip it and pour the rest of the sauce on it. Do not pierce it all the way through the cake, just a few holes on top so that the cake can absorb some of the rum sauce. Because remember, this is going to be the bottom of your cake, so the holes won't show. So very important that you make sure that the sides have been released and it will come out easy before pouring the sauce on the cake as well. Alright. I'm going to leave some to pour on the other side. Just want to give you a close-up of what the cake looked like. There it is. Give it some time to cool down, and then we come back and flip it. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna remove the cake. I don't like that square plate around if we flip cakes nights. Always give problem. Oh, like, come off easy. Let's see. Nice. Came out clean. Just gonna pour the sauce all around it. Smells so good. It sit and soak in the rum sauce, and then we'll cut it. Alright, it's best when you leave it to soak in the rum overnight, but we're not gonna wait until overnight for this one. Look at this beauty right here. I'm just giving it a few more minutes to cool down, and then we're gonna cut it and enjoy. All right, let's go. Look at that. Nice clean cut. Look at that. Nice. Let's taste it. This is delicious. Amazing. What do you think, Anna? You say don't come punch about you can just take this heavy.
Okay, cool. Break it? That did not break well. But okay, thank you.
It's good.
Good.
You can add extra sauce nice. You can add extra rum to the sauce to make it even more rummier. Rummier. Is that a word?
I don't think so, but it's good.
When Crystal comes, you know half of this are done tonight.
Oh yeah.
She love rum cake.
It's so good. The sauce really good, Mackenzie. It's good, guys.
So good. No disappointment. Perfect. Perfect mixture. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember, this is a dessert. There's a lot of sugar in there. There's a lot of butter. So eat in moderation, alright? Enjoy it. It's Christmas. Holidays are here. So enjoy your little cake. Alright, thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and to share the video with a friend or a family. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Stay safe, show some love, and have a great week.